Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our series where we do our deep dive in oligopoly. In this video, we're going to talk about price leadership, stackelberg equilibrium. Let's go. So we'll be considering the case where we have a sequential price setting by firms with differentiated products. It's not really interesting when you have homogeneous products because our second mover will always capture all the demand in that case. Following the same setup as before, we'll have two firms. We're going to note with I being for firm 1 and firm 2, and that produce the similar products where the products in question are growth complements and they face the following demand curve. Both firms will face a marginal cost of 1. Firm 1 picks the price of its good first, and then firm 2 best responds and decides its price. The question that we want to go and ask is, what is the Stackelberg price leadership equilibrium in this context? So this is going to be an equilibrium defined by our prices here. So like our quantity leadership, we have the same sort of steps, except we're going to be looking at our best response functions in terms of prices. So step number 1 is that we're going to solve for firm 2's best response function, that being our second mover. We're going to sub that best response function into firm 1's profit function. After we do that, we're going to solve for firm 1's optimal price given firm 2's best response. And then we're going to use that price to go and solve for firm 2's responding price. So step number 1, we're going to solve for firm 2's best response function. We have that profit function here, putting in that marginal cost of 2 right there, subbing in our demand equations for where we see Q2 there. And we take our first order condition and we see that our best response function is P2 star is equal to 46 plus P1 all over 4. So next we're going to go and sub in firm 2's best response function into firm 1's profit function. The way we go and we do this is by first going and subbing in our demand equation for firm 1's product, that being Q1 here, and we then sub in P2 star there. After we do that, we're going to move to step number 3, where we solve for firm 1's optimal price given firm 2's best response. The way we do this is by taking the derivative of that profit function with respect to the price of its product, and we get this result here where P1 star is equal to 16.5714. That is our optimal price here. Next is that we're going to use that price and we're going to sub it into firm 2's best response function, and from there we go and we derive its price there. So we have P2 is equal to 15.6428. So this is how you would go and solve a basic example of price leadership Stackelberg equilibrium. I hope this video helps. Take care.